Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So today we are making these super cool soaps. These are DIY soap using the Dollar Tree round ice cube maker. And these turned out so totally cool. I am just really digging these. So these are going to be super fun gifts and I love it. So with this one I used the transparent soap. I'm going to do another batch using the white soap to see the difference in the color. I will show you that when that is done, but these are so beautiful. They really did turn out great. So cool. I mean, the color is just beautiful. I don't even know if the camera does it justice. So pretty. Listen, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. I will attach the video of making them, and I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. I'll see you later. Bye. I have this Dollar Tree ice mold. All right, so we'll unwrap that. And so soap goes in here. Well, actually water does because it's ice, but I'll be putting soap, and then I'll put the top, and then we'll refill. And then I also have this little heart mold. I don't remember where I picked that up from. And then my little soap cutter. I'm going to use some Dusty Rose. And then I've got 2 cents. So now because my thought is making hand soap, I'm just using this clear soap. If I were using body soap, this is a little tough for like body. Like I feel like it would dry your skin out. I would use, because I have like oatmeal, goat's milk, shea butter, stuff like that, and some honey. So, but I'm going to use this one. Now, I was also thinking it wouldn't be quite as clear. However, if you wanted to do this with all like Dollar Tree products, you could get some of that Pearls soap and melt that down. Although you are going to have an amber color instead of the clear, but I feel like you could like totally make that work and make stuff look really pretty with that. And then just some glass cups, because my soap will go in the microwave for 20 seconds. And I am going to start off by just melting some soap. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to melt this in the microwave for 20 seconds. I was videoing this. Unfortunately, after I went to melt my soap, I forgot to turn my camera back on. So you only have the very beginning. But this was kind of fun, and I've been playing around. So I sort of decided to do a little bit something different with this. And since this, was, my big block of soap, I'm just cutting it back down. I really want to make some rainbow soaps. Not necessarily rainbow colors, but just some different colors. So I thought would be kind of fun. And this time, I promise I will not forget to turn it back on. I can't believe I did that. All right, so my soap is melted again. Now this color is good just the way it is. So pretty. Now I'm going to just add some other colors. The good thing about messing around with soap like this, as opposed to resin, is that when I make a mess, it's only soap, so it cleans up nicely, because I sure do drop it all over the place. I'm going to do some green and some purple and some blue. Now this is all soap dye, so it's safe to go in there. And I'm just going to add some Smell Good. This one is the Awapui Sea Berry, and this is the Orchid. Oh, this green. Wow. This color is amazing. It's like a iridescent color. Look how beautiful that is. These colors are so pretty. This one is the blue. The blue is called Haze. And oh, that is so pretty. Like, these colors are definitely really pretty. And then the purple. Wow. Oh my gosh, that color is beautiful. Look how pretty these are. Oh, these are so pretty. All right, so I'm going to start on my bottom layers here. Now I'm not going to let these cool in between, because I want to see, like, if I want these to be defined, I could let them just cool in between. It doesn't really take all that long. But the thing is, I want to see, you know, how it looks as I'm just, you know, just dumping the colors in together. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to stir any of the colors, and I probably need to be careful even lifting the thing up. Oh my gosh. I want to make sure that, I don't know how far back I have this. I want to make sure you can see this. Oh, it is so pretty. So beautiful. Look how pretty that color is. Now the part that is a little bit hard, when you put the top on, like, some of the color flows this way through, so that's what's going to be a little bit challenging. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I hope that this dries to be as beautiful as this looks right now. Can you see that? And look how they just sort of blend. Ah, they're so pretty. Wow, that looks so gorgeous. I can't wait to see these like all done. I feel like it's just going to be so beautiful. All right, so now I'm going to put the top on. And I couldn't find where I put my Dollar Tree things that I bought for this. So I just stole my husband's. He may or may not be mad at me for it. We'll see. And I'm just going to keep doing the same thing. The bummer is that now we can't see how it looks.
But it's going to be a nice surprise when it's all done.
Oh, fingers crossed for this to stay looking as beautiful as we were seeing. With the soap, if it starts getting a little hard, you can just throw it back in the microwave. So I did them each, like a little bit at a time, hoping that it'll keep it from going, too much like off to the side, So we'll see. Hopefully this looks as good as I expect it to. All right, we're going to let this sit and cool. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm not going to pick it up. I'm going to let it completely cool and then I will be back. All right, so these are done. Now, pulling this apart is not necessarily super easy, just so you know. All right, so a little bit kind of around the edges. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh, that's beautiful. And I'm just going to lightly do my edge. Look how pretty those are. Oh, that's so pretty. This one. Look at that. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, I mean, you don't have to take off this little edge, but for me, I'm going to. I want it to be smooth.
Look how beautiful that is.
It is so pretty. There's this one. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. These are going to be such fun gifts. Aren't those just so pretty? Look at this. So I'm going to do some more, and instead of using the clear soap, I'm going to use a white base soap. And then I'm also going to do some where I let it sit a little bit in between, and then see how the color looks with that. But isn't that just absolutely beautiful? It is so pretty. What a nice soap. So I'm really excited about these